talk my shit. Get into the cab, this shit on the daily. Big dog steady, let me talk my shit. Hit her right next to me, keep it blit. One fall play, get shot in your shit. Get into the cab, this shit on the daily. Big dog steady, let me talk my shit. Hit her right next to me, keep it blit. One fall play, get shot in your shit. Me and Blue Bands, we never gon' miss. Booking for sure, we gon' show you we lit. Pocket full of Benji, it go with the fit. All in 19, but I still on my shit. Don't smoke no Reggie, this shit you legit. High off this wood, I stay high as a bitch. I'm my son, never fall, never switch. Thought I was done, I ain't stopping selling rich. How you say gangsta but never the lit? Long live Debbie and the shit and the shit. Chance I'm taking, you know it's some risk. Light skin bit, but you know that she thick. They said I was bumpy when I remixed Tick. Never used to feel me, I bet you for this. Team full of shooters, you know we don't miss. Be stepping for real, we ain't sending no dicks. Flies the fuck, come and take my pick. My life and move to the life that I live. Snake me once, that's something I can't forgive. Demons after me, they all up in my dream. One thing for sure, you can't hide from the beam. Double on my cup, it filled through a lean. Trying to rock clean like the box Chevy King. Wanna fuck with the team, you gotta come with a fee. 50-50 action to get down with me. Learned the whole game from Auto OG. Get into the cab, this shit on the daily. Big dog steady, let me talk my shit.
Yeah, man, your boy Box Chevy King. We're gonna be at Rick Ross's car show. We're gonna get that VIP for the rear end. You see it, man, the big old lips. Six two.